Checklist. To be part of our company. A well-tailored suit. Check. Enter at 9. Check. Structured emails. Check. Power walk. Power talk. Double check.
Bold.
Imaginative.
Unconventional.
These are the words we live by here at InMobi. Don't get me wrong. Passion, ambition, and perfectionism exist. But we believe that the best way to get anywhere is by having a lot of fun doing it. We strive for a playful atmosphere along with serious business. So we do fun seriously well. Everyone from our intern to our CEO sit on the open floors. No cabins, no cubicles, no barriers. And if you ever need some privacy, you can always book any one of our quirky meeting rooms. Our office has a bit of everything in it. We wanted a place to relax, bring our pets, even have the kids come down to say hello. To an outsider, it may seem confusing, but we can't imagine anything more organic. We love what we do, and we're happy to be here, and it clearly shows. At InMobi, we believe that the best people make the best workplace. To ensure that everyone is always growing, we have a range of workshops that foster career growth and bridge assignments which provide ample learning opportunities that InMobians can voluntarily choose from. Yes, we work hard. We have mentors who never give up on us. We think larger than life. We have goals that give us butterflies. But we love what we do, and even if that means staying up all night, we're passionate about it. To help take the edge off a tough day, we have a world of facilities right at our fingertips. Whether it's working out at the gym, doing some deep cleansing yoga, reading, or checking out the sports arena, we have a wide array of choices to pick from. We even cater to our sleep enthusiasts with a room to take a quick power nap or two. Of course, all of this would be hard without food. At our cafeteria, you get a wide variety of cuisines, sweets, salads for the fitness buffs, and even a live station for something piping hot. We even have a 24/7 snacks counter, loaded with a variety of beverages and goodies. So all you caffeine-crazy night owls can breathe a sigh of relief. We're not just another corporate. We're a synergy of like-minded people. We enjoy recognizing achievements, celebrating moments, and enhancing each other's performance. It has always been our belief that the right kind of people will always do the right kind of work. And we are yet to be proven wrong. We are a culture of celebration. We are a culture of fun. We are a culture of recognition. We are a culture of learning, development, and growth. But most of all, we are a culture of people. Our culture is you.